According to Reuters, in a high-stakes diplomatic move last month, Saudi Arabia issued a stern warning to Iran: take US President Donald Trump's nuclear deal offer seriously, or risk war with Israel. According to sources close to Gulf governments and Iranian officials, Saudi King Salman dispatched his son, Defense Minister Prince Khalid bin Salman, to Tehran with a private message for Iran's Supreme Leader Ayatollah Ali Khamenei. The meeting, held on 17 April at the presidential compound in Tehran, was attended by Iranian President Masoud Pezeshkian, Chief of Staff Mohammad Bagheri, and Foreign Minister Abbas Araghchi. While media had covered the prince's visit, the content of his message had not been publicly revealed until now. Prince Khalid warned that President Trump had little tolerance for prolonged negotiations and that time was short. Just over a week earlier, Trump had publicly announced direct talks with Iran, aimed at curbing its nuclear program in exchange for sanctions relief. He made the announcement alongside Israeli Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu, who had instead hoped for US support in striking Iran's nuclear sites. At the meeting, the Saudi prince told Iranian officials that the US was eager for a swift deal and that failure to engage diplomatically could lead to Israeli military action. According to Gulf sources, Prince Khalid emphasized that the region, already destabilized by conflicts in Gaza and Lebanon, could not bear another escalation. The visit marked a historic moment, the first by a senior Saudi royal to Iran in over 2 decades. Once fierce regional rivals, Saudi Arabia and Iran restored diplomatic ties in 2023 through a China-brokered rapprochement. Iran's regional influence, however, has been shaken. In the last 2 years, Israeli strikes have weakened its allies, Hamas in Gaza and Hezbollah in Lebanon, while Western sanctions continue to cripple its oil-reliant economy. Mohanad Hage Ali of the Carnegie Middle East Center said Saudi Arabia is leveraging Iran's weakened position to avoid a broader conflict that could derail its own economic ambitions. During the Tehran meeting, President Pezeshkian reportedly told the Saudis that Iran does want a deal, mainly to ease economic pressure through the lifting of sanctions. Neither Saudi nor Iranian authorities have commented publicly on the developments.